2018 Ram 2500. Ram 2500 is the 2010 Truck of the Year winner. It's the hardest working truck in tow business. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: running boards, backup camera, four-wheel drive, keyless entry, Bluetooth, adjustable steering wheel, power steering, front floor mat, cruise control, four-wheel disc brakes, ABS four-wheel, auto-off headlights, AM/FM stereo radio, MP3 player, power door locks, child safety locks, passenger airbag, power windows, side head airbag. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.